Cleanliness is of critical importance in the food industry. Effective washdown procedures are a critical part of maintaining a clean environment. For years, Goodyear's washdown hoses have set the industry standard by manufacturing a wide variety of lightweight, durable, long-lasting hoses that are able to withstand high temperatures and pressure. Continuing its tradition of being a leader in the washdown hose field, Goodyear Industrial Hose is proud to announce a new line of Fortress washdown hoses that contain Microban built-in antimicrobial product protection. Now, for the first time ever, Goodyear has developed a washdown hose for use in food processing facilities that will resist the growth of microorganisms that can cause odor, staining, or degradation of the hose cover. Goodyear's Fortress washdown hoses are ideally suited for use in washdown applications in food processing facilities and are available in 3 specifications. Fortress 300 is reinforced with spiral synthetic yarn, making it effective for pressure up to 300 psi. Fortress 1000 is a lightweight, flexible hose reinforced with 1 braid of high-strength yarn. It is used for higher pressure applications up to 1000 psi, and Fortress 3000 is designed for applications requiring pressures up to 3000 psi. It is reinforced with 1 braid of steel wire. All Fortress hoses have a chemigum tube that is resistant to most cleaning solutions and can handle temperatures up to 200 degrees, 250 in the case of Fortress 3000. And in addition to the Microban product protection, each hose is manufactured with the distinctive yellow carbon cover for superior resistance to abrasion, cutting, and gouging. It also provides resistance to animal fats and oils that are present in food processing facilities. The Fortress hoses come in a variety of sizes and packaging options. Due to the nature of the manufacturing process of the hose, however, the cover could contain minute crevices and grooves. These crevices and grooves may trap small particles of food, creating an environment for the growth of bacteria, shown here in green. Although hoses are manufactured to high standards, crevices and grooves cannot be completely eliminated. The Microban technology protects the Goodyear Fortress hose cover from the degrading effects of bacteria, mold, and fungi that can grow in these crevices and grooves. If bacteria can't grow on the hose, it can't damage its integrity. And this spectacular technology is safe. The Microban additive only affects the cell walls of microorganisms that can cause degradation of the hose. Goodyear's Fortress washdown hose with Microban built-in antimicrobial product protection uses breakthrough technology, which enhances the molecular structure of the compounds that comprise the cover of our hoses. In fact, we can inhibit the growth of bacteria that cause product degradation and discoloration on the outside of the hose. Let's take a closer look at how this technology works. The polymers that make up Goodyear's Fortress washdown hoses are comprised of many molecules. As you can see, if we magnify the polymers under a microscope, there are spaces on the outside cover between each molecule. Using Microban technology, Goodyear has filled these spaces with an antimicrobial agent, which inhibits the growth of microorganisms that cause product degradation. The antimicrobial protection is built in during the manufacturing process, making it evenly distributed throughout the cover of the hose. Here is an example of a washdown hose whose surface has been abraded away. Because Microban product protection is evenly distributed throughout the compound, it will continue to provide protection even in the most rugged environments. It will not wear out, rub off, or wash away. This means that no matter how adverse the conditions, this amazing technology will continue to fight off microorganisms for the life of the hose. As the material lodges itself in the minute crevices and gaps of the cover, the bacteria attempt to settle and grow on the hose. As bacteria look for a place to settle, Microban product protection creates a hostile environment, acting like millions of tiny needles. It penetrates the cell walls of the microorganisms and eliminates their ability to grow. Without Microban product protection, the hose cover is a favorable environment for microorganisms. Microban product protection helps to keep it looking new. The Microban product protection does not alter the physical properties of the products in any way and will not migrate to anything else that comes in contact with the cover of the hose. In addition to the new Fortress hoses with Microban protection, Goodyear continues to offer an entire lineup of washdown hoses designed specifically for the food processing industry. These include Spectra 300, 1000, and 3000, as well as SanaWash 300. The Spectra hoses are all produced with Chemavic cover and Chemagum tube to provide excellent oil and animal fat resistance in an economical hose with a variety of pressure ranges. SanaWash is an economical hose designed for low-pressure washdown services up to 300 psi. In the past, by offering well-made, long-lasting, and effective products, Goodyear has come to be known as the leader in washdown hose technology. Now it's time to seize the future. It's time for Goodyear's Fortress washdown hose with Microban built-in antimicrobial product protection.